Hey guys, Cyber Dinner here. In a couple of weeks I'm going to be attending a gothic and alternative picnic. So I've ordered a few things off eBay to help to create an outfit. So I thought that I would do a little eBay haul. So I've bought 3 separate items. First one isn't this very crinkly, nondescript e-parcel post bag. So let's open it up. It is a black petticoat. It has a white lining, which I wasn't expecting. I think this is a one size fits all. The waistband is quite stretchy. Oh. Oh. The tulle is all in like little separate pieces, and it has like a nice kind of rugged bottom. So I will try this on towards the end. Let's try and fluff it out a bit. It's a little bit crinkly, but that's okay. I was very lucky to get this one because this was the last one in stock with fast shipping. It's not too annoying of a noise. I might get annoyed when I'm walking, but that's okay. So that is item number 1. The next item is in a blue bag. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. I have been wanting to buy real Tubular Crin for the longest time, and I thought this picnic was the perfect excuse. So I bought 4 bags of the large Tubular Crin from Cyberlock's shop, UK. I got pearlescent and black stripe. I got the white opal. And the pink metallic. And the teal metallic. These bags do seem a lot smaller than I anticipated, but they're meant to be 5 yards, so 4 bags should be enough to do what I want to do for my hair. They are very soft and so springy. I've bought a couple of different like Tubular Crins from like cheap stores and Spotlight, and it has been plastic and not moved very much. Let me see if I can find some. So the first type of crin that I bought around about a year ago was this, which it looks bouncy, but it's more sort of just like set in place. I like heated it up and pinched it to get it to stay to wear in my hair, and it just sort of stuck out. And yeah, it's very plastic, not very good. Then I bought like a giant lot from a $2 store, and this is a bit more bouncy, a bit more stretchy, a little bit less like plastic. I haven't tried to wear this yet. I've got this for the future. You can see it kind of jiggles a bit better. I just recently got this one, which is like a green pink iridescent. Probably can't pick it up on camera. That I got from Kmart in like a little kids craft pack. I'd say probably around the same level as the darker green. But this looks so much better, just softer, bouncier. I'm very, very excited for these. So I'm going to be installing my pastel opal wool dreadlocks with the Crin, and then I'm thinking of making some like cyberlocks hair wraps as well, with foam pieces, maybe some lace or ribbons. We'll see, just to give that more cyberlocks frou-frou look. So this is the one item that I was not sure if it would arrive in time, because the shipping estimate was from yesterday, June the 6th, to June the 26th, and the picnic is on the 22nd, so I was like hoping, praying that it would get here, and it has, and it's so beautiful. But enough of the Crin, onto the final item, which is in a box. So this is an acrylic nail kit that I got for around $30 off eBay. Ooh, nice. So the brand is Cosselia, I think. So the listing had 18 acrylic powders. There is glitter everywhere in here, so that is going to be fun. My craft room's covered in glitter anyway, for the outfit that I'm making, so a little bit more can't hurt. Let's lay this all out. So we've got the 18 acrylic powders, 5 different size brushes ranging from a teeny tiny one in the middle to like a more normal sort of sized acrylic brush, 5 different sized dotting tools. Oh, they're double-ended as well, which is nice, and they match the nice swirly insides. I have no idea what this is. It's like a little silicone block with these, what are they, bunnies? Little tiny bunnies in them, which I have no idea what that is for. I don't remember it being in the listing. Exciting. 3 bottles of nail glue. Some tip cutters. It's a nice shade of pink as well, actually. Two wheels of nail art accessories. So we've got teeny tiny little gems in a multitude of colours, and itty bitty roses, which all have a nice white outer edge to their petal. A little monomer dish, a two-sided file. I don't know what the grits are, but they're pretty rough. The acrylic liquid monomer. So this is 120 mils, which is what I should expect because that's the size that I bought. A pair of tweezers, and they've got like a curved tip. I am so covered in glitter and I still haven't found the glitter specifically yet. The tiniest little nail brush. Nail forms. Glitter. Nail tips, all in size labelled baggies. They all look like they are white tips, and from what I can see, without opening it all up, they have a little well, but they're only a tip. They don't have like a half plate well or anything like that. Another little palette of, I think this may be where the glitter is coming from, 12 glitters, a Monya palette with different glitters, so another 12 glitters. The difference is these are your sort of typical like circular, hexagonal little glitters, and these ones are more like your sprinkles. Three acrylic powders, so it said that there would be, does it say on the outside, white, clear, and I believe the other one should be pink. A pink buffing block. A multi-sided buffing and filing block. And also a cuticle revitalizer oil, which is a rose oil scented one. Then in the bottom it also has a little leaflet for instructions. So this talks about like an LED UV lamp, which didn't come with this kit, which is fine. I don't need it. So it talks about UV gel application, and also acrylic application, and it has it in a few different languages, so that's nice as well. And then the final item is just a little thank you for your support, and that's everything from the third box. I've never done acrylic nails. I say never done. I tried it once and I didn't have a very good brush, I think was the main issue. But I've never tried to do like a fancy set of my own acrylic nails with forms and all the correct things. So I'm pretty excited to give this a whirl so I can have beautiful nails for the picnic. If you guys want to see me trying out this kit, leave a comment down below and I will attempt to work out if I can film that. I've been watching so much nail career education and Nayo nails and long hair pretty nails, and I'm just so obsessed. I have like a whole folder on Instagram of saved inspiration pics and I am so keen. So let's try on this petticoat and see how it looks.